really matter.
Can we make it
Yung pinakamatigas.
Can we make it into gold? Minus
We
that
wish.
stuff, power. Swell,
We wish.
Okay. So, this is called psychokinesis. Have you ever heard of Uri Geller? Uri Geller is the guy who bends metal with his mind. This is what I learned from him, watching him on Israel TV. It's like that.
Oh,
Yeah, check it out. You can check it out. Wow, really there. Really solid. I actually know, unlike other magicians, hindi ako naka-long sleeves. I really make sure that I have short sleeves to show that it's not hiding any extra forks, but watch. Everything else just bends just like that. Hey, you know that optical illusion with pencils? Yeah, ganon. Then it looks like it's getting softer. This one's a bit different. It's not an optical illusion. Okay,
Let me see that. Let me see that.
Hindi pwedeng maging guest ko. Maninira ng food.
So you can eat salad pretty interesting with this.
Yeah.
So salad,
Spaghetti. Weirdest spaghetti ever. Pwede mo siyang diretso yun, pero pahirapan. Because you're gonna need... Yeah, matigas pang batch nito.
No.
You're gonna need both hands to straighten it out. So...
Why, it's easier to bend it or what?
Yeah, well, it's easier to bend it. Not physically.
Bend it back then.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to
Magic.
do. No, it's harder. It's really harder.
it's better to do than to undo.
Yeah, yeah. There you go.
Our creative director.
There, okay. So you try to straighten it out, sort of. Could you hold on to that? Watch
Si
carefully.
Miss Nina mag-play.
Go ahead. So just twist it in your hand.
Ikot mo lang guys.
Ikot mo lang, ganun.
Yung first bar.
1, 2, 3. Okay. This one. In fact, ayan, it started twisting already. Ayan. In fact, it's so solid, you can try taking out the twist by straightening it out. You use both hands. Sobrang...
See?
Interesting concept, yeah.
Yung pinakamahirap is when you stare at it and then you let it bend like the Matrix, just like this.
Oh, man.
And here, you can keep this as a souvenir.
Oh, thank you. Ang ganda naman.
Si Kim loves
Yan.
that art trick.
I'll try this with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to be here, kasi you're gonna need to help me out here. You have
Come
to
on,
be here.
come on.
Okay. Sana, lumana.
What was he doing to it?
Okay.
I know, what was he doing to it?
We have a deck of cards, all different varieties, of course. I'm gonna shuffle. I'll let you have
It's a trick with it. What was he doing?
let you have an absolute free choice. Go ahead. Take anyone. Don't let me see it. Don't let me see it. You can show the camera, but not.
What's that? What's that?
Okay.
Take the blame in the building.
Excellent, excellent. So now, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to lose the card. And here's how I'm gonna do it. Shuffle, and then give it a good cut. Hopefully this works out just fine. Okay, so here's what I wanna do. I'm gonna have you help me out by spreading the cards against the window. Like, because I really am gonna need help. A lot of help here, please. So we spread out the cards over. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Don't let it drop.
Oh my God.
Use both hands. Both hands.
I thought I will spread it so that you can choose one it.
Yeah. Pero yan. 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 Basta kalak mo lang. Both hands. Both hands.
That's real magic right
Okay
there.
lang. Go. Yan. Hold it there. Hold it in place. Huwag mong hayaang malaglag.
Okay.
Okay? Alright. That's good. So, smile.
Nasa na kaya yun?
Diyan ka lang until tomorrow.
Pukurin mo?
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness! Ang daming yun!
Mga 7 minutos na.
Ala na, babayaran din sa labi namin! You will pay for that! Ay, ayun na nga nakuha na niya! Ay, ang galing na.
Oh.
Wala ka bang hawak ka?
I thought it was just stick his finger in there like David Blaine.
Wala naman siyang hawak na lumabasa. You have an extra card siguro.
Go.
Oxygen na that's what I...
Magic.
That's what it's about.
Pasasakitin mo ang ulo. Sasakit ang ulo ka na mag-isip.
Nasa.
I need anything that you need to open a different pack.